What's up, drivers? Smile up. The weather's here. It's sunny. It's hot. It's warm. Be grateful. Look, LYFT changed the power drive bonus in Atlanta. I don't know about anywhere else. I know they changed this a couple of months ago. They changed it from 100 rides to 110 rides to reach the top bonus. Okay? Also, as they changed that 100 to 110, they changed the peak driving hours. All right? They extended that, which was great, man. And I love that because that was my biggest problem, was getting those peak driving hours numbers. Okay? Those 40. It's 40 out here. We need 40 in Atlanta. I don't know about anywhere else. We need 40. But those were the hardest, man, because I do not like going out there on traffic. And you know, and the best thing about this is freedom, but I felt like, you know, I was forced to go out there. And that was a couple of months ago when they switched that. Now, a couple of days ago in Atlanta, they switched the power drive bonus to no acceptance rate. I don't even see the acceptance rate. I don't know about you guys, but I do not see any acceptance rate. But they put the power drive bonus back to the way it was, which is okay because school is almost out and it'll be easier for us to hit those numbers because it'll be less traffic. All right. And plus, for the people that take their kids to school and pick them up in the afternoon, in the morning, now that you do not have to do that to make your peak numbers. I do not know about anywhere else, but I know in Atlanta, we do not have any acceptance rate right now. I'm all for it. You know what I'm saying? Because I felt like it was pressuring us to pick up rides we do not want to pick up. You know, either long distance, short distance, people with attitudes. And we were forced to kind of pick up those people just to keep our acceptance rate up. And now that it is not an acceptance rate, it's beautiful. Another thing, LYFT. I'm not complaining. Just giving awareness. Them switch ups, man. I'm driving to pick somebody up, then you switch me up to another passenger. Woo! Sometimes that could be a problem, man. Definitely, this happened to me twice where I just got on the highway. The passenger is the following exit. And then you switch me up to the passenger that's on the exit that I just got off. So I gotta go all the way around and come all the way back up to the same exit I just got off. Some of those are a problem. I mean, if you guys can tweak that a little bit, maybe asking us first, do we want to switch to another passenger? That'll help us out a little bit. You know, LYFT? Come on, man. Come on, man. Another time that bothered me is when I had a 25% prime time with a 45 plus. I'm heading there. I'm like this. Yeah, about to get this money. All of a sudden, route has changed. What? What you mean route changed? Come on, man. It was still 25%, but it wasn't no 45 plus minutes. Come on, man. LYFT, look into that for me, all right? You guys, I want to know if you have any acceptance rate now. Let me know in the comments. Plus, I want to know if any of you guys been through those situations that I just mentioned. And we're going to be out there because the money's out there. Come on, smile up. Let me see that smile. That's why we out there. The summer's here. Be safe.
Terry Tips. Stay tuned to Terry Tips.